Hello everyone, my name is Holly. It's my honor to be your guide today to show you around in our factory, in the workshop where we are producing the food machinery. You ready? Let's go. With over 18 years of experience in exporting food machinery, we have established ourselves as a renowned and professional factory. Our products are primarily sold to areas such as Europe, United States, South America, Middle East, Russia, and so on. Our food machinery factory is equipped with multiple efficient production lines. We produce a large quantity of high-quality kitchen equipment each day. Day by day, through continuous technological innovation, we have successfully replaced manual labor with machinery, thereby enhancing production efficiency and product quality. Our product range is diverse, including food mixers, bread slicers, dough kneaders, and more. Whether you run a restaurant or a hotel, we can customize different machines according to your specific requirements, ensuring that we meet your unique needs. Thank you for being with us to visit our factory and workshop. If you have any interest in our products or have any inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact our sales. And at the same time, I warmly welcome you to visit our factory in person. Again, appreciate your time and wish you a wonderful day.